In today's video, I am going to teach you how to embed a constant contact form. To begin, sign into your constant contact account and head to the main navigation. Look for the section labeled Channels, since that is where Constant Contact keeps the tools you use to connect with your audience. Under Channels, click Sign Up Forms. This takes you to the area where you can create and manage forms that collect subscriber information for your email marketing. Next, click Create Sign Up Form. This starts the setup process and lets you choose the style of form you want to use. When you are asked to select a form type, choose the option that matches how you want the form to appear on your site. If you want the form to live directly on a page, select an inline form so it can be embedded in your layout. If you prefer something that appears automatically, select a pop-up form, which can show on a timer depending on the settings you choose. After you pick the form type, you will customize the content and settings. In the content area, edit the title and description so visitors clearly understand what they are signing up for and what they will receive. Then review the fields. Keep your form simple and focused because fewer fields often leads to more signups. In the settings area, adjust options like timing for a pop-up and choose which devices the form should appear on. Make sure the experience works well for both desktop and mobile visitors. Once the form design and behavior look the way you want, select the email list where new signups will be added. This step is important because it determines where those contacts are stored and which campaigns they can receive later. Take a moment to confirm you are choosing the correct list for the audience you are building. When you are ready, click Publish. Constant Contact will generate what you need to share the form, such as an embed code for an inline form or a link for other use cases. Copy the provided embed code and paste it into the appropriate area of your website, such as a page editor block that accepts custom HTML. Save or update your page so the changes go live. Now your Constant Contact sign-up form is embedded on your website and ready to collect new subscribers. And that covers everything you need to know.